Hi, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Chef Barry and I'm here with my son Daniel, and today we want to cook for you a simple breakfast omelette that children can cook for themselves or for their parents just using an electric flat grill. And Daniel's going to show you how easy it is and his omelette.
So first I need the oil to cook my toppings. On mine, I like some ham. And we use this already cooked bacon, so it just needs to warm up. And now I've got to put on the egg.
That's the equivalent of around 2 scrambled eggs. That's good. So Daniel's just pushing the egg back. As it cooks, it'll slow down to form that rectangle that he wants. For these types of omelettes, you can add any ingredients you want. There's goat cheese. I enjoy chopped up cauliflower and broccoli in mine, spinach, asparagus. Some people may enjoy shrimp with their bacon, which is also good.
And so now, time for my cheese. So, I also like goat cheese. And some cheddar.
And some cheddar. So the cheese just needs to melt inside the omelette. When the omelette firms up a little bit, Daniel's going to fold it. So the cheese is all trapped in there with the heat and it's going to melt through.
And so, you need to take the egg away from the edges. So when you do the book fold to fold up the omelet, it would be easier. And I like some salt. And now we just wait for the omelet to cook.
This is something simple that kids can just cook for their mum and dad or themselves in the morning. And you don't have to worry about using a gas stove where a pan can get terribly hot. This is a much more controlled environment. Now it's ready to be folded.
Okay, so you put your spatula under the first side of the pan, and then you flip it halfway, and then you do it again, but this time you take it back, and then you flip it the other way. And there you have it. And
Daniel has his plate.
just put the omelet on the plate. And there you have it. A nice breakfast omelet.
So that's it. We made our omelette today, but don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check in next time when we make banana ice cream using just one ingredient.